What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Camaro Central. Today we've got a Tech Tuesday coming at you, and we're talking consoles. And this is by far the best console when it comes to classic muscle cars. We get tons of questions regarding these consoles and console gauges. To start it off, we've got two gauges here. We've got your original gauge here that goes with your original wiring harness that's measured in amps. And then we also have an updated gauge system here that's measured in volts. You definitely don't want to mix the two, so you want to understand which one you have. With that being said, if you don't have gauges at all in your console and you want to put gauges in it, we've got exactly what you need. First, you're going to need the gauges themselves. Second, you're going to need this conversion harness for your gauges. And then the second harness you're going to need is the under dash harness that plugs in to that console conversion harness. And that'll work together and get these gauges working in your console. A couple other things you might want to take into consideration when installing gauges into your console is a tach. If you transfer all your information from your dash to your console, you're going to have two fuel gauges, and no one wants two fuel gauges. So you might want to check into getting a tach to replace that. This sending unit is going to screw right into your block, and it's going to be completely compatible with this volt gauge system, and it's going to also connect right into the harnesses here. That's all we have for you guys today. Drop a like and a comment, and go check us out at CamaroCentral.com.